हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने स्ट्रिंग के लेक्चर के बाद में ये कहा था कि सर आप स्ट्रिंग में पैटर्न आप हमें सिखाइए, बिकॉज पैटर्न भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। हमने पैटर्न लूप्स में भी पढ़ा था, बट पैटर्न प्रिंटिंग जब हम स्ट्रिंग में करते हैं तो उसके लिए सेम वही नेस्टेड लूप का लॉजिक हम लोग को यूज करना पड़ता है। एंड यूजिंग द लॉजिक ऑफ द नेस्टेड लूप वी कैन मेक प्रोग्राम्स which will be printing the patterns as specified, right? अक्सर क्वेश्चंस आते हैं पैटर्न प्रिंटिंग का स्ट्रिंग में, कई बार फंक्शन ओवरलोडिंग में भी आते हैं, प्लस स्ट्रिंग के क्वेश्चंस में भी आ सकते हैं। तो वी मस्ट clearly understand the printing of the patterns in string. Okay, so now let's move on to the session. Okay, so the first pattern which I am going to discuss is a simple pattern. I just take this is JA JAV and JAVA. So whenever you get a question, you will not go for any specific data, but we can go with a input, right? The question will ask you to input a string and print as per the given pattern. Now I am here assuming, for example, I say string n. Either you can ask for input or you can just ask them to input the data. Here I am assigning string n is equal to Java I get. Now for I'll be taking variables int I, j and l and a char variable char c. Now I say l is equal to n dot length. L is equal to n dot length. Now here you see what's happening. The loop of I will begin from like this and the loop of j will go like this. This is 0, this is 0 and 1, this is 0, 1 and 2, this is 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? So this is the pattern 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the loop of I begins from here. For I equal to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. Fine? For I equal to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. So it will take 0, 1, 2 and 3. And in the inner loop I'll say for j equal to 0 and j less than I equal to j less than equal to I and then j plus plus. Within this, I'll take the character c is equal to n dot caret j. C equal to n dot caret j. And then what I'll do here, system dot out dot print c. The character will be printed, and outside the loop I'll say system dot out dot print l. Okay, this will close the loop. This was the inner loop, this is the outer loop. So what happened here? When I was 0, it began from 0 and it is going till 0. I is 1, I was 0, began from 0, went till 0. I is 1, began from 0, went till 1. I is 2, began from 0, went till 2. I is 3, it begins from 0 and goes till 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3. Inner loop system dot out dot print, outer loop system dot out dot print ln. So this will be printed. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let us see another program. What I am doing here is, again I will accept a string and the question says to print like this: J A V A. Here this is J A V, then it is J A and then it is J. Now here what's happening, try to analyze. All these questions on pattern, they are just based on analyzing it, how you are able to analyze it. The moment you analyze the mechanism, you will be able to understand. So it's just reasoning based sort of questions, analytical reasoning. This is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 0. So what happens again, I will repeat, this is beginning from 3, 2, 1 and 0. This begins from 0, goes till 3, this begins from 0, goes till 2, this begins from 0, this goes till 1 and this begins from 0 and ends till 0. Now when we talk about the program, again I take here string n is equal to Java int, I'm taking I, J and L and a char variable C. Fine. Now L is equal to n dot length. For I equal to L is 4, right? So I equal to L minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay? And then for J equal to 0, J less than equal to I, J plus plus. Then here system dot out dot print, extract the character. C is equal to S dot caret G. System dot out dot print C, and then outside system dot out dot print L. Right? And then I close it. So what will happen? It will begin from 0, goes till 3. It will begin from 0, it goes till 2. It will begin from 0, goes till 1. Begins from 0, ends at 0. So this is the structure of this pattern. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now, coming to the next one. Yeah. So now if the question tells me to print like this, J, JA, JAV, JAVA. Now here if you see, fine. Here if you see, there are three things. One loop will be for coming down. One loop is for printing the blank space, right? No blank space. And the third one is for printing the letter, right? The third one is for printing the letter. Now, if you try to find the logic here, it is 0, 1, 2. 3 blank spaces, 2 blank space, 1 blank space and 0 blank space. I am taking here string n. I assign the value int I, J, K and L, and then I took a variable char C. Okay. Now L is equal to n dot length. As usual, the loop of I, for I equal to 1, I less than equal to 4, I plus plus. So this is for printing, this is for coming down 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for J equal to 1, J less than equal to, this instead of 4 I will take L. I equal to 1, I less than equal to L. J equal to 1, J less than equal to L minus I. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. So it will be for the blank spaces, J plus plus. And within this, what I am doing, system dot out dot print. I have to print a blank space. System dot out dot print. I printed a blank space. So this was for printing the blank space. And again, for k equal to 0, k less than I. K equal to 0, k less than I. So 0. Then I is 2, 0, 1. I is 3, 0, 1, 2. K plus plus. Here, system dot C, I'll take C equal to n dot. This is n, so n dot caret K. And then system dot out dot print C. Now, what we will do? System dot out dot print ln. So what will happen? This is this loop, this is this loop, and this is the main outer loop. So this will be 1, 4 minus 1, 3 blank space, then J. I is 2, 4 minus 2, 2 blank space, then JA. I is 1, 4 minus 3, 1 blank space, then JAB. And then thus the entire printing is done. So this is this pattern. I hope these patterns make you understand. Sometimes you get the questions from a menu driven program, like input a word, develop a choice and based upon it print accordingly. So in that case again, you take the choice, CH is 1, K is 1, the first pattern, K is break, K is 2, the second pattern, and then you can. So this way you will be able to complete the entire program of pattern. So I hope the concept of pattern is clear to everyone. Thank you, and all of you kindly be updated, subscribe to the channel, like and share it, and then you will be able to understand the program in a better way. Soon I will be coming with a complete session for your ICSE computer applications, in which I will be covering the entire theory part in one session. So stay updated for the same. Wish you all the best for the board examinations. Thank you.